What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The crypto markets are hot. We did have a bit of a Jeet wipeout phase just yesterday, but the meme coin market and the overall market seems to be correcting quite nicely and bouncing back to the upside. Now, if you recently have seen some videos on Pepe Unchained, then massive congratulations to you guys. This is a meme coin ICO we recently took a look at. You might remember it just from looking at the website here very quickly, but this is Pepe Unchained, the layer 2 ecosystem and blockchain ecosystem that just recently went live. So let's just do a quick update. Now it's live and trading. We've given it a bit of time to sort of let the volatility kind of sizzle out, if you want to call it that. But like at the moment, I think, we're looking pretty strong here. You can see 0.023 on the price tag right here for Pepe Unchained. So if you did grab some tokens at stage one buyers did get in around 0.008 on the nose right there. You're still up 185%. So that's some really nice gains right there. So it's brilliant to see a strong launch. We've got the bull market here. We've got the meme coin super cycle narrative. So we've got all those ingredients that really helps with a powerful launch. And we can see that here, it's just flown up. There was a massive sell-off at the start. You can see it did correct quite a lot, around 49%, which is nothing too bad really. But then a humongous bounce to the upside. You can see a ton of support written in around that 0.01 region. Now we're sort of consolidating in what looks like a descending kind of triangle pattern. Hard to kind of really say exactly what the pattern is, of course, because it's a freshly launched meme coin. But overall, it does look really, really good, this price action. So very bullish. I think, yes, it can possibly move higher to the upside. We can see here it's got a DEX tool score of 99, over 99, $180 million market cap, $4 million of liquidity here with 41k holders. So it is possible that it could keep moving up. But I also want to remind you guys that profit is profit, and there's nothing wrong with taking some profits in these markets. When you are in your euphoric greedy stages and you see this market capital of the blockchain sector grow more and more, I mean, right now we're at 3.5 trillion, you want to be taking profit slowly in tranches, and there's nothing really wrong with that. If you do want to take profits, that's fine. Profit is profit. Be grateful for the small wins, be grateful for the big wins as well. So we can see here it's already up nearly 2x, and maybe you are someone that did get in very early and you're thinking, should I take some profits here, or should I take some risk off the table? It's completely up to you, of course. It's not financial advice, but personally I think taking a bit of profit is always a good thing to do in these markets. They're very volatile. Nothing is guaranteed. You can wake up the next day, everything could be gone, right? Bitcoin could even be 10k tomorrow. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but it's a possibility. Nothing is impossible in these markets. Now, yeah, looking pretty good overall. So freaking awesome. Look at this one coin market cap right here. You can see, looking at the markets, is all through DEX right now. So there's no centralized exchange. There might be listings. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some listings for this exchange, because there were the major exchange listings that were basically ramped into the pipeline. So it could be something where we see even more positive price action depending on the exchanges that we get. So that's something to also remember here. So Pepe Unchained indeed looking good. Really hope we can see this go higher. I don't know what the future entails, but there's, we're in a macro bull run, and you can see the market cap at $180 million. If it did do a 3x or something, it could still get to $500 million. If we use our Fibonacci extension over here, it would suggest that the golden pocket is actually $0.029. So that's also another thing. Another thing to also remember, guys, is a lot of people were indeed staking into this ICO. So a lot of these, the original stake balance will be open in like maybe 5 days or so. So when people can claim their tokens back, there could be another influx of selling pressure to keep your eyes out for. That might be something that does also happen. So it's just understanding the mechanics of this particular ecosystem and what might happen there. So overall, massive win. If you were a patron, congrats. Patrons are the ones that got into stage 1 of this ICO, which has reflected them over 2x now from their buy-in. If you also want to get some access to these hot pre-sales nice and early, trading signals, as well as early alpha calls to get you into the very nice straight to DEX and sort of stealth launch meme coins in this market, you can indeed check out my Patreon down below. Space is very limited, so do check it out before it all sells out. Thank you for the support as well from new and existing subscribers. Now you might be thinking, well, what alternative play can we do here? You've already capitalized some gains here. I mean, there's a ton of meme coins in the market, right? And it's so hard to pick just one when you've got all different grades of volatility. Well, Wall Street Pepe could be another one that might be worth looking at, because it's very similar to Pepe Unchained in the sense it's a Pepe themed coin. It's a frog crypto alternative to Pepe, the OG Pepe, of course. And it says here, Wall Street Pepe. Buy one Pepe 0.000208. They've raised $4.159 million. So we've seen a win here with Pepe Unchained. Can we get a win with Wall Street Pepe is what I'm really wondering. It's an ERC20 token, so that's a cool thing. You can see here, Chapter 1, Catching the Whales. Chapter 2, The Rich Frog March. Chapter 3, The Frog Street Takeover. And Chapter 4, The Fast Lane to Fortune. Wall Street Pepe has a fixed max supply of 200 billion WEPE tokens, and we can see the token address is on the screen right there, guys. So it could be one that actually does really well. It's raising good. The price does keep going up, however, very, very quickly. Next price raise happens when they raise another 300k, which I'm sure will happen quite soon at the rate they are doing so. So WEPE token is the meme coin of Wall Street Pepe, who's tired of whale groups controlling the crypto market, so is creating his own coin. Also, they've got 3,044.14 rewards per Ethereum block and 135% per annum on the staking. That is some solid staking as well, guys. So pretty cool to see. You can check out Wall Street Pepe down below. Do a bit of research and due diligence. Go through the audit, go through the white paper, do those normal things, and really understand what the token is and whether it's something you actually have appetite for. Could be a good coin, not financial advice, but the link is down below there. So yeah, guys, Pepe Unchained looking hot. The meme coin market still looking great, even though we did pull back just slightly from 140 billion. We've pulled back a bit to the 120 billion here. So if we can just consolidate here, find neutrality here from a sentimental point of view, we may even have another massive leg up soon in the meme coin space. Pepe Unchained still holding really, really good. You can see good 30-minute candle here, a lot of price action to the upside and a massive bounce from that hole yesterday, which yeah, looks really good. The bounce itself was basically a 2x on the nose. If we can break resistance at 0.0023, Pepe Unchained may even continue to climb higher in price. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and do become a patron if you really want to help yourself achieve time, location, and financial freedom and squeeze everything you can out of this bull market. See you soon. Peace.